You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this curious word that comes from French. In French it is said as bric-a-brac, so this is because it comes from French that it's kind of weird looking. It means a miscellaneous object or an ornament of little value. Bric-a-brac, that's how you say it in French. This is why in English it's said rather similarly. You just replace the French R with an English R and say it as bric-a-brac, bric-a-brac, bric-a-brac. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.